A pre-war Chevy with curves so smooth and chrome so bold that even modern designers still copy it. Today we're unlocking the story of the 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, a timeless masterpiece that refuses to fade. What's up everyone, subscribe my channel because today we're stepping into a time capsule, a journey back to a year when style, craftsmanship, and American automotive pride were at their absolute finest. The 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe wasn't just a car, it was a declaration of elegance, a rolling masterpiece built at the edge of a world that was about to change forever. So buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and get ready to experience this rare gem like you've never heard it before. Picture this, it's 1939, gas is pennies, roads are open, and Chevrolet is dominating the streets with a vehicle that blends luxury, performance, and pure Art-Deco design cues. The Master Deluxe arrived with curves that looked sculpted by hand, chrome that flashed like jewelry under a streetlight, and an attitude that told every competitor, try to keep up. And trust me, they couldn't. When you first look at a 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, you see something more than steel. You see soul. You see a front grille that stands tall with vertical chrome slats that shimmer like a tuxedo at a Hollywood premiere. You see teardrop fenders that flow like liquid metal. You see headlights molded into the fenders, a huge step forward from the days of separate mounted lamps. And you see lines so smooth that even modern designers admire the elegance of this car. Chevrolet didn't just build the Master Deluxe, they crafted it. And then you open the door. Instantly, you're transported into 1930s luxury. Polished wood grain dash, chrome trim accents, and big, plush seats designed for comfort, not cost-cutting. Everything inside feels intentional, from the soft glow of the gauges to the clean simplicity of the controls. This was a time before touchscreens, before driver assists, before complicated electronic systems. And yet, the experience feels more personal, more connected, and somehow more alive. Under the hood sits the legendary 216 cubic inch Stovebolt 6, an inline-six engine known for reliability, smoothness, and satisfying torque. Pushing about 85 horsepower, it wasn't built for racing, but it was built to glide. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this car didn't just move down the road, it floated. Owners describe the ride as buttery, smooth, relaxed, and black. Sound. The kind of drive where the world slows down and you appreciate every mile, but what truly makes the 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe special is the era it represents. Pre-World War II America was booming with innovation, optimism, and design breakthroughs. It was a time when automobiles weren't just machines, they were status symbols, cultural expressions, and engineering triumphs. The Master Deluxe stood at the top of Chevrolet's lineup, signaling to the world that you'd made it. And today, more than 8 decades later, that presence hasn't faded. In fact, it's grown. This car has become a legend in the classic and custom community. Restorers love it, collectors love it, hot rodders absolutely love it. Whether you want to preserve its original pre-war elegance or transform it into a low-slung custom street rod, the Master Deluxe is one of the most versatile canvas cars ever built. You'll see them at shows with airbag suspension, metallic paint, custom wheels, or completely original down to the last bolt, and every single one draws a crowd. It's that kind of car. The 1939 Master Deluxe is also known for its durability. Chevrolet engineered these cars with rugged frames, straightforward mechanics, and components that were easy to maintain. Even today, original parts can still be found, and the platform is simple enough that many owners maintain their cars at home. This ease of restoration is a huge reason why so many survive and continue to shine. And then there's the experience of driving one. The long hood stretches ahead of you, reminding you of a time when designers weren't afraid to take risks. The engine hums with a steady rhythm that feels almost musical. The massive steering wheel gives you full control of every movement, and the visibility, crystal clear. No bulky pillars, no screens in your face, just pure, undisturbed views of the world around you. It's a form of driving that modern cars simply can't replicate. If you've ever had the chance to see one parked at a cruise in, a show, or even a private garage, you already know the effect it has. People stop, people stare, people take out their phones. Even those who don't know anything about cars can sense that they're looking at something timeless, something important, something special. And that's why the 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe remains one of the most respected classics in American automotive history. It's not just the design, not just the engineering, not just the nostalgia. It's the way all of those things come together into one unforgettable piece of rolling art. A car born in an era of craftsmanship and carried into modern times by enthusiasts who appreciate what it stands for: beauty, pride, and the golden age of American motoring. So if you ever get the chance to ride in one, to hear that engine purr, to feel the door close with that solid pre-war thud, don't pass it up, because moments like that don't come often. Cars like this don't come often. And legacies like the 1939 Master Deluxe, they come once in a lifetime. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Chevrolet's most iconic creations, make sure you like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more legendary classics brought back to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.